Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Your fever dream, can't you see, getting closer. Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's the preacher and the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brink of every wall that's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the colors and lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. This is the greatest show.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming out, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, knocking out bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Every spotlight, every soundbite, everybody who gets. Here we go, here we go. It's about time that we set it off. Here we go, here we go. Red lights, I could never stop. A dreamer with the fever to be great was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. A fighter with the fever for the fame was all I ever want, was all I ever wanted. Got me singing like bang, 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 bang. This fire's a weapon. Bang, 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 bang. Won't stop till we're legend. It's the calm before the storm. Don't say I didn't warn you. This ain't no Sunday morning coming down. It's gonna get loud like a 12 gauge, like a shockwave shaking the ground. Loud like a freight train, like the roar of a hometown crowd. Get loud like a speedway, gonna blow these speakers on out. It's the only way we know how. No, we ain't turning down. Gonna get loud. Everybody get loud. How's that sound to you? Sounds good to me. When the smoke drops down so low, gon' rat your teeth. Yeah. Nah, don't knock it till you try. You're gonna start a riot in this peace and quiet little town. It's gonna get loud like a 12 gauge, like a shot.
Day and night. 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 Day and night.
Bang.
Day and night.
Chasing after like it'll slow down my hurry, settle all my worries when I get it in my wallet. Quit dipping long enough to own a pair of jeans that don't have a ring in the back left pocket. Laughing at myself, admitting when I'm wrong. That's what this good old boy's gonna go out working on. Working on, coming to Jesus, kicking the bottle, wrestling with our roots, trying to turn off mama's tears and feel our daddy's boots, shutting up our pride, fixing bridges we burn, learning how to live and learn, keeping our demons down and our trucks up and running, loving them angels sitting pretty in the middle of them.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow, call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too. Why do all the monsters come out at night? Why do we sleep when we want to hide? Why do I run back to you like I don't mind if you fuck up my life?
Another day, another headache in this hangover hotel. Getting used to the rhythm, yeah I know this beat too well. Tunnel visions got me feeling like you're the only one I see, but I know what's missing when I'm swimming in my lonely luxury. I'm wondering why do all the monsters come out at night? Why do we sleep when we want to hide? Why do I run back to you like I don't mind if you fuck up my life? Why am I a sucker for all your lies? Strung out like laundry on every line. Why do I come back to you like
The way I talk, I guess I got it from my pops. Product of some kneeling down in a town where the doors don't lock. And there's a million other people like me from a scene a little more podunk than pop. I didn't choose being born in the sticks, and I'll be damned if I sound like something I ain't. For some folks, a back road gets old, but for me it just can't. Cause I'm from a small town, southern draw crowd. We sipping clear, drinking beer on a Friday night. Every country girl got on a cutoff, shaking her hips, take a trip, buddy, tell me I'm a liar. So circle up big trucks around a fire, still kicking up some dust behind the tires. Call it cliche, but hey, just take it from me, it's still going down out in the country.
So all the videos that you just seen are actually off of Instagram, and as of my little survey I did here online, well, 36% of you don't know what Instagram is. So just a little thing here is this Instagram is just an app for your phone. So right here is my Instagram app. You can get it from the Play Store for Android or iPhone. Comes up Ballard Innovative Products. So here's one of their videos. Bunch of companies on here. If I go to the older post, you know, Brian's Lawn Maintenance, Dirt Perfect. You can subscribe to whoever you want on here. Same thing like YouTube. So you only get stuff from who you want to subscribe to. You can search for whatever you want. One Lonely Farmer. So if I jump to mine, this is what you'd see if you go to mine. So here are a bunch of the videos that you just seen. Here's some pictures that haven't been posted on YouTube. You know, rolling at night here. It's a lot more up to date. You can also see stories. So what you see here are just posts, but when you go to the Instagram app, up here you have stories. So if I go to, we'll pick on Larson Farms. Here's one of their videos. You know, it's got audio to it too, but
got ourselves a big upgrade here.
it's a lot more up to date, a little bit more current.
There you go.
If you don't follow me on Instagram or don't know what Instagram is, look it up, check it out, see if you can get it for your phone, and see if you can't figure it out, and come find me on there. And my username on Instagram is master.of.everything. Check it out. A lot of good videos on here. As you can see here, there's 237 posts on here, so if you've been following me on YouTube for a while, be sure to come check this out, and you can see a lot more current stuff behind the scenes that you don't quite get to see on YouTube. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. And yeah, stuff like that. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. Stuff like this. Silo demo. But as always, be sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. My dark thumbs up. And come find me on Instagram. You won't be disappointed. See ya.